To solve this problem, a store offers a 20% discount on all items. If the original price of a jacket is 1,200 pesos, how much will the jacket cost after the discount? As we notice here, the original price of a jacket is 1,200. When we say original price, ito po yung 100% na price or hindi pa nakuhaan ng discount. So the original price serves as 100% and it costs 1,200. And ngayon, yung store, nag-offer po sila ng 20% discount. So, if nag-offer sila ng 20% discount, yung jacket cost after the discount, magkano? So, yung 20%, isa-subtract lang natin sa original, which is the 100% na discount. Tama po ba yun? So, yung natitira dyan is 80% of the original price of the jacket, which is the 1,200. So, ito yung 80% of 1,200 pesos. Ngayon, i-simplify lang natin yan, yung 80% of 1,200. Dapat alam natin po yung translation dito sa mathematical expression. So, yung 80% naman dyan, i-convert natin into decimal places, and then, nagiging 0.8. If you are asking bakit naging 0.8, always remember, kapag naka-percentage, you only need to move 2 decimal places po. From dito, 1 and 2. So, nandito yung decimal. Kaya, ito yung nagiging 0.8. And yung off naman, yung mathematical expression ng off is multiply or multiplication. So, that's times and then copy the 1,200. So, isi-simplify lang natin to, 1,200 times 0.8. So, para mas madali pag-multiply, just multiply 1,200 times 8. And yung sagot is 9,600. And we only need to move one decimal place kasi we have only one decimal place naman sa given. So, we just move dito, nagiging 960 na lang po. So, yung sagot is 960. Ito po yung cost ng jacket after the discount. And then, we have another method ng pag-solve. I think this is a long method, but it depends if you want to use this during the exam. So, this approach is like this. We have x is equal to, yung x serves as the jacket cost after the discount. Yan yung hinahanap po natin. And then, the original price is 1,200. We will only subtract the 1,200 sa discounted price po, which is yung 20% or 0.2 times the 1,200. Yun yung discount. Tama po ba? Yung 20% of 1,200. So, we have 1,200 minus the discount. Magkano ba yung discount? Yan yung tanong. Magkano ang discount? So, you only need to multiply the 20% times the original price. That is equivalent to 240. So, the answer is 960 po. So, yung sagot dito, the jacket cost after the discount is 960 pesos. So, again, you can use any method, either the left side or the right side. Pero, mas madali talaga or mas short lang po yung process ng left side kaysa sa right side. But, you need to understand yung process or concept po ng percentage problem like this or discount percentage na solving. Kasi lumalabas po talaga ito sa mga exam, especially sa civil service examination. So, good luck po and thank you for watching.